Hello my friends, you forgot your password, and your computer is locked. Do not worry, look carefully, repeat exactly after me, step by step, and we will succeed. So, to reset the password we need the command prompt, and first I will show you two ways to open the command prompt. Hold down the Shift key, and restart the computer. The computer boots into debug mode, select the desired option. Troubleshooting. Advanced options. Command prompt. Depending on your Windows configuration, the system may ask for a password to open the command prompt. If you have the command prompt open, you can skip the second method and go straight to making changes in the registry editor. If this happens, you will need to open a command prompt using the Windows installation media. Connect the Windows USB drive to the computer and reboot it. Immediately after the reboot begins, press a certain key on the keyboard to open the boot menu. I press the F12 key, for you it could be EB, F8, F9, F11, F12, or some other key. There is no single standard and different computers may have different keys to call the boot menu. The boot menu opens, find the installation USB flash drive in the boot menu, press Enter. The installation menu will open, but we will not install Windows. Next, click Repair your computer. The System Recovery menu opens. Click Troubleshoot. Advanced options. Command prompt. Type Notepad. Press Enter. In the window that opens, click File. Open. This PC. Here we see several disks, and now you need to find the disk on which Windows is located and remember the letter that this disk is designated by. I open the local drive C, and here we see the operating system folders, program files, the Windows folder, user, and other folders. Usually these folders are located on the Windows disk. Please remember your drive letter where your Windows is located, and we continue with our video tutorial. We close this window, close Notepad, and now we need to write several commands to reset the password in the command prompt. Move, space, I write the letter, but you must write your own letter, which is assigned to your local Windows drive. /Windows /System32 /utilman.exe. Space, I write the letter again, you write your letter, /Windows /System32 /utilman2.exe. Press Enter. Now type copy space, I write the letter, you write your letter, then /Windows /System32 /cmd.exe. Space, I write the letter again, you write your letter, /Windows /System32 /utilman.exe. Press Enter. All commands completed successfully. Now write util space reboot. Press Enter, and the computer will restart. My computer has rebooted. I hope everything went well for you too, and now you need to click on this button. The command line has opened. Type the command, Control space, user passwords 2. Press Enter. In this window, click on the user whose password you forgot. Click Reset Password. In the window that opens, you can enter a new password, or leave it blank to log into Windows immediately without a password. OK. Close this window and close the command prompt. Now I don't need to enter a password to log into Windows. I can simply click here and log into the desktop. As we can see, nothing has been lost here, and all my files remain intact. Now I'll show you how to enter a few special commands in the command line and bring back all the functionality for the accessibility button on the lock screen. Right-click the Start button and select Terminal as administrator. For convenience, I saved the commands in a document on the desktop, and now I'll copy each command and enter it in the command prompt. You can find these commands in the video description and do the same. Also keep in mind that if your Windows drive is assigned a letter other than C, replace C with your drive letter in all commands. enter. After the last command, your computer will restart, and all changes to the Windows structure will be restored. enter. Let's open the lock screen and check the accessibility icon. Yes, this time the standard ease of access window opened, not the command prompt. For those of you who found this video useful and liked it, please support it with a like and a subscription to the channel. Thank you very much for your attention to my video. Have a nice day, everyone.